Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be creating Sonic from the movie Sonic the Hedgehog. For this creation I am going to use Crayola Modeling Clay. The movie released a few days ago, so I decided that it would be cool to create Sonic from the movie. The starting point is to create skeleton with aluminum wire. Link to all products that I am using you can find below in the description section. For the base of our creation, I am using the square piece of the regular cardboard. We start with the blue clay and coat it around the wire. So now let's start creating shoes. Sonic has white socks, so let's create them too. I am removing all extra clay with the knife. Now let's create hands. Attach the hand to the body. I decided to make his second hand with the thumbs up gesture. I think it will be cool. has a small tail on the back, so let's add it too. Now let's mix white clay with brown and yellow. This clay will go for the face and the chest of our Sonic. Yellow clay is very important. It makes clay more vivid and saturated. Without yellow clay, the color would be pretty dull. Since Sonic has fur all over the body, I'm using toothpick to recreate it with the clay. Now let's create a head of our Sonic. To make it as light as possible, I decided to use aluminum foil as a base. Now we need to remove the blue clay from the places where will be eyes. I will add eyebrows a bit later. It is a bit easier to make eyes without them for now. This small pyramid will be the ear of our Sonic. The last step is to add needles on the bed. Here is our creation. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a comment what you think about our creation. I'm looking forward to read all your comments. Thank you for watching.